Terra Classic price drops 10%, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video, so don't forget to put like and subscribe. Welcome to CryptoWhale. If you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Today is not a positive situation on the market. A few hours ago, Lunc approached the lower support level of 0.30's $196. After that, it recovered a bit, and at the moment, its price is 0.30's $205. If we look at the 5-day chart, the downtrend started on December 4th. Thus, we can see that a triangle-shaped chart with a single support level at 0.30's $195 has been formed. Based on these factors, I think that further weekly movement will take place between 0.30's $1,961 and 0.30's $246. This price decline over the last 2 days was due to the arrest of Kwon. Of course, there is a prospect of further losses as the dynamics continues to fall, but the bulls continue to maintain a presence in the market. So don't jump to conclusions, as the entire Lunc crypto community is optimistic despite all these factors. Let's talk more about why the Terra Classic price drops. Lunc price, as well as that of Terra Luna, continue to suffer the aftermath of legal troubles of the ecosystem's founder, Kwon, following his arrest in Montenegro. Terra Luna founder Kwon will be extradited to the US despite efforts by his legal representatives to prevent the outcome. Specifically, the lawyers had appealed a decision made in late November that approved such a handover. According to a report in the Wall Street Journal, a top Montenegrin justice official has privately verified the extradition plan of Kwon, with the fallen crypto executive facing criminal charges for manipulating the Terra USD stablecoin. His unscrupulous leadership led to a $40 billion crash in the market, making prosecutors in both the United States and South Korea eager for a trial. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission charged him in February for orchestrating a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset securities fraud. Kwon was arrested in February in a Montenegrin airport, attempting to flee the country using falsified documents. His confiscation commenced extradition discussions, with the US and South Korea both pushing for control in the arrest. Nevertheless, he has been in custody since March. In the aftermath of the arrest, Terra Classic and Terra Luna prices have dipped 10% and 5% respectively, with prospects for extended losses as momentum continues to fall. However, bulls continue to maintain a presence in the market, evidenced by the presence of large volumes of histogram bars on the Awesome Oscillator in positive territory. Now let's touch on the topic of the $1 price for Terra Classic. Terra Classic has emerged as one of the most talked about digital tokens in the crypto sphere. Notably, the coin's impressive run over the past few weeks has significantly drawn attention. In the past week, Lunc recorded an impressive increase of about 74% in market value. It also registered maximum and minimum prices of 0.30's $271 and 0.30's $113, respectively. Apart from rejuvenating users' interest, the remarkable market statistics have also reignited the coin's highly speculated potential to reach the $1 price level. While the speculation for Terra Classic achieving a $1 price level continues to grow stronger, with each passing day it is unlikely that a $1 price level will play out soon. This insight shall reveal pragmatic impedances to Lunc's potential $1 price ascent. Apart from rejuvenating users' interest, the remarkable market statistics have also reignited the coin's highly speculated potential to reach the $1 price level. While the speculation for Terra Classic achieving a $1 price level continues to grow stronger, with each passing day, it is unlikely that a $1 price level will play out soon. This insight revealed pragmatic impedances to Lunc's potential $1 price ascent. Lunc attaining any significant price high will have considerable effects on other market variables, especially the market capitalization. For context, the market capitalization for any digital asset in the cryptosphere is obtained by multiplying the coin's selling price with its circulating supply. Taking cognizance of Terra Classic's 5.8 trillion tokens in circulation and a projected $1 selling price, performing a similar calculation would bring over a $5.8 trillion market cap, which is certainly not happening anytime soon. Meanwhile, during the rally that orchestrated Lunc's ascent to attaining an all-time high of $119.18 in April 2022, Lunc's market capitalization soared to about $40.99 billion. At that time, the circulating supply was in millions of dollars, unlike now. Intriguingly, Bitcoin's market cap at its ATH of $69,000 was relatively $1.27 trillion. This goes a long way in explaining why it is tricky for Lunc, which is currently ranked 58th in the market, to achieve a market capitalization of over $5.8 trillion. Barring any significant changes, the only pragmatic means for Lunc to achieve such a substantial price level is by investing heavily in its burn projects. A drastic reduction in the Lunc's massive circulating supply makes it possible to achieve a realistic market cap, with Lunc selling at $1 or beyond. Notably, the Terra Classic development team is not sleeping on the need to improve on Lunc burn projects. Several proposals have been made in this regard, which also included incinerating its stable USTC coin. Binance remains the most significant contributor to Lunc's incineration scheme, with over 40 billion tokens incinerated so far. And let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction 2023, 2024, and 2025. Currently, Terra Classic is amid a very turbulent journey. While the project's past still looms, Terra Classic is also facing a new wave of issues. In April, a popular DeFi protocol on the Terra Classic network, Terraport Finance, was hacked with 9.5 million Terra, 15 billion Lunc, and 5.5 million USTC lost. This is the latest in a string of controversies that have ultimately led Terra's price to continually downtrend despite its already low price. However, in recent weeks, Lunc has begun to find support within a range between 0.30's $192 and 0.30's $203. Considering bullish events occurring in the broader crypto markets like BlackRock and Fidelity filing for Bitcoin spot ETFs, it seems likely that the markets will consolidate or rise for the remainder of the year. In Terra Classic's case, a strong reversal seems unlikely due to its tarnished reputation from historical and recent issues. However, we also believe that the downside is limited this year due to the factors mentioned above. With that in mind, our Terra Classic price prediction estimates lows of 0.30's $1,584, highs of 0.30's $4,162, and an average price of 0.30's $2,655 by the end of 2023. So what about 2024? A recent proposal voted on by the Terra Classic DAO decided that a quant team should begin working on repegging the Terra algorithmic stablecoin, which has been rebranded to USTC. If this can be achieved, it would be a significant development, helping to restore faith in its ecosystem amongst the crypto masses. However, if the quant team discovers it is impossible to repeg USTC, it could cause the Terra Classic community to lose hope in the project's future. Nonetheless, there are countless other ongoing developments in its ecosystem. Terra Classic has retained a respectable market cap and a vibrant and loyal community. It boasts 1 million Twitter followers, 85,000 Telegram members, and regularly appears in media headlines. However, the adoption of the Terra Classic chain has curbed recently, gaining less than 200,000 new accounts in the last 10 months. In the months prior, the number of accounts on the network spiked significantly, showing much of the buzz around Terra Classic may be from investors looking to cash in on a cheap coin. With Terra Classic's reputation tarnished, so it remains to be seen if adoption will pick up again. Still, as the crypto bull run is expected to occur in 2024 and the Terra Classic team is putting in much effort to reignite the blockchain's success, we see a future for the project. Therefore, our Terra Classic price prediction forecasts a minimum price of 0.30's $107, a maximum price of 0.30's $92, and an average price of 0.30's $818 by the end of 2024. So what do you think about Terra Classic price in the end of this year? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.